Yo, what is going on, guys? More Matt's here, back with another tutorial video. So you may see some streamers be able to switch through their scenes just like this, like very fastly. So usually what you would have to do, hold on, let me just go down to this. So basically, if you can't do it like that, then you have to like click it one by one, and that just takes a while, and it's really not as cool. Cause say you want to switch through a scene really fast, you can't do that when you click it with your mouse. So today I'm going to teach you how you can do it by just clicking a simple button.
I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna feel your love.
Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the settings right here. So settings, and then it'll say like general, stream, output. The thing that you're going to be wanting to go to is hotkeys. And then, so you don't have to have one of these things. I'll put it on the screen right here. Like, you don't have to have a stream deck or a keypad thing. You can literally just use your keyboard if you want to. So basically, this is how you do it. So this is your, like, you can start streaming. So you can click a button on your keyboard, and right when you click it, it'll start streaming. And you can also click another button to stop streaming, start recording, stop recording, and all this other stuff. And then this is the game. You can show image, hide image, show alert box. So basically what a hotkey is, it's basically just a way faster way to switch through like scenes, muting your mic. Muting my mic is the coolest thing because if you watch right here, look at my mic right here. Now as you can see, it was muting. It was muting, unmuting, muting. Mine's like the slash button on my keypad, but then again, you don't have to have a keypad. You can literally just use your keyboard. So let's scroll down here. So this is my first scene. So basically, if you want to switch through your scenes, so this is like starting soon. I like to keep it in order. So if I do to kind of forget, I can just look on the thing right here and I say, oh yeah, be right back. That's 4. So I just click 4. So as you can see, it says numpad 1, you can show starting soon, hide starting soon, but usually the only one I like to use is switch to scene. I might use some of these later. And then we have ending soon, which is 5, so I just have to click 5. So it's keypad and a keyboard are basically the same thing. Keypad's just a way smaller version of the keyboard. It basically has the main right side of the keyboard, like the numbers, the numlock, slash, and all that stuff. It still has backspace and enter and all that, but so if you don't have to have a keypad again, and you can just use your keyboard. And so say you want to do for the new scene, this is the scene that I'm using right now, switch to scene, I can just click 2 on my keyboard and then click done. And if I go to the game and I just click 2 on my keyboard, oh wait, you can't have one. So obviously it's not going to work for my keyboard. I'm pretty sure that's because of since my keypad's plugged in, I don't think it'll work for the keyboard, or maybe I have to like set up a thing. But it should work for your keyboard. Comment down below if it doesn't work, and if you're trying to do this, obviously comment down below if it doesn't work. So so yeah, it should work, but if it doesn't, then I don't know 100% why it's not doing it. But so just new scene, I'll just do 9 or numlock 9. And then I'll go to like 4, and I can just click 9, and then there you have it. So let's go back. And so hotkeys. So that's basically the basics of hotkeys in Streamlabs. You can do like a lot of other stuff. So if you have like a chat box in that certain scene, a chat box, if you don't know what it is, it's basically just like your chat, but it's in a box, and you just put it on your screen. I don't really know the main point of using one because you can just read your chat normally. I think it's because I'm not 100% sure why you really need a chat box, but if you end up having one, like anything you have on your screen, like if you have a webcam on your stream or on your scene, then you can just type whatever number or button you want to, and it'll you type whatever button you want to, and it'll either show face cam, hide face cam, but usually if it's like show or hide or mute, unmute, I like to keep it on the same thing. So like my mic when it's muted and unmuted, I just click the slash to mute and the slash to unmute. It's way easier because like it wouldn't be slash to mute and then like the star button or whatever to unmute. It's way easier just having one on the same, but if you don't like it that way, you can do however you want to. So that's basically how I do it. And if you just have like a normal alert box, webcam, chat box, you can mute it, you can mute it, you can mute it, you can do all kinds of stuff, whatever your like on your scenes, whatever your sources are or whatever, you can hide it, unhide it by just simply pressing the button. Again, it's easier if you just have the same button to hide it and unhide it, but if you don't like it that way, it doesn't matter. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.